Kia ora. Part 7b, question 5. Write a program which will input a word followed by 10 more words. The program should count how many of these 10 words is the same as the first word entered and print a message like the word was input this many times. You could do this one by one by one by one. You shouldn't though, because that's repeating yourself quite a lot. We're going to use a for loop. How are we going to tackle this? We need to, first of all, get a word. So I'm going to say word equals input from the user, and it's going to say please enter the first word. And that's going to be like our check word. That's what we're going to be checking the rest of the words against. And now we're going to use a for loop. Hopefully you haven't forgotten about for loops. What are they going to do? They're going to iterate over and over again. So I'm going to say for I in range 9. What's that saying? That's saying do this 9 times. Whatever I put under here in this code block, whatever I put in this code block, do it 9 times. For I in range 9, if input add enter another word. Enter another word. Ooh, let's put in some /n's because they are tidy and they tidy up our console. /n. Please enter another word. If that input, and I don't even need to assign this to a variable, I don't need to store this anywhere. If that input is equal to, don't forget, double equals. We are asking, is that input equal to whatever I put on this other side? I am not assigning, so it's double equals. Is that equal to word? If it is equal to word, what do I need to do? I need to make a count, and I need to increment that count by 1. Problem. You might have spotted it. I don't have a count variable so at the moment. So far I have not made a count variable. Let's make it. It's going to start at 0. Okay. And now, see here, I have my for loop. Oh, my hand's getting cut off, but you know what I'm pointing at. I have my for loop, and then I have a tab, and I have my if loop, my if block, and then I have a tab. In order to come out of that, I need to tab all the way back to the start, and then I'm out of that for loop, okay? So that this code here, I'm saying once that for loop is finished. Once that loop is finished, then this code is going to run. Tabs and spaces, very, very important in Python. Not so much in other languages. Sometimes they use little blocks, but Python, tabs and spaces, very important. What do I need to do? I need to print something, give some output, and it needs to say the word was entered that many times. Ooh, are we counting the first time? Are we counting the first time? I think we should. So maybe when we first input that word, we need to count it as 1. What happens if it's entered once? What happens if we never see it again? We'll end up saying that that was entered 1 times. 1 times is okay. 1 time? Should we fix it? Maybe I will leave that to you to fix the pluralization of time if there's only 1 entered. Okay? That's your task. This is an F string. I need to make it an F string. What goes in here? I need word in here, and I need count in here. Goodness, are you ready for me entering a lot of words? Please enter the first word. Happy. Enter another word. Rainbow. Kitten. happy, happy, life, happy wife, enter Python, coding, happy. Happy was entered 4 times. I think that worked. Do we want to verify it? 1, 2, 3 plus that first time there. Yeah, that made sense. It was entered 4 times. I think that's finished. Ka kite. See you on the next time.